Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is our Christmas episode. I am going to make a Christmas turkey in an hour. Also, I'm going to make a Rum Rum Rudolf, a Mango Colada. We have Appies with Chappy by the lake, and Rasta Dog's back. That's right, Rasta Dog will be doing a brand new best tropical destination story. So sit back, relax, and take solace that your in-laws may not be able to make it this year. Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. This is Mookie. She's got her Christmas attire on. This episode, we're going to do a Christmas turkey with some of the fixings in an hour, if you can believe that. I managed to find a Christmas tiki drink we're going to make over at the Tiki Bar. We have Appies with Chappy by the lake, and I'm going to do the most iconic Christmas appetizer in the history of mankind, at least in my opinion. Can you guess what it is? First up, we're going to do best tropical destination stories. So we're going to go all the way back out to Kingston, Jamaica. We have Rasta Dog on location. Hopefully Rasta Dog can provide us a Christmas theme tropical destination story. So take it away, Rasta Dog. Wagwan, Chappy man. This is Dog Marley, the Rasta Dog, coming at you from Kingston, Jamaica, man. So I be having some serious holiday plans, man. I thought it'd be fitting to go to Christmas Island for the holidays. So we're gonna do a bit of snorkeling and some chilling. This island's actually in the shape of a Scottish Terrier. You know, Chappy, I once shagged a Scottish Terrier, but we'll leave that for a different tropical destination story. This island's also famous for the red crabs, man. So I wanted to get there early to see the mass migration of the red crab from the forest to the sea to breed. However, before I go, I need to locate a Douglas fir, which has proven to be quite challenging.
Rasta Dog, if you're looking for a Christmas tree, just pop over to Canadian Tire. They got lots of them.
No, man, I ain't looking for no Christmas tree. Douglas fir is a dude that owe me money. Douglas, man, if you're listening, don't make me come looking for ya. Douglas, listen, you better be trucking right, cause I'm a brother from the gutter. Douglas, I'm gonna f*** you up. Back to you, Chappy.
Thank you, Rasta Dog. Okay, so if you have any tropical destination stories, just send them on to chappiness@yahoo.com and I'll read them on my show. So coming up next, I'm going to attempt to do that Christmas turkey in an hour. Stay tuned for that. All right, thanks, Mookie. Aloha. So I'm going to try to bang out a Christmas turkey in an hour. I got this bad boy here. So my plan of attack is I'm going to cut it up into smaller pieces so it cooks faster. And I'm going to braise it in a liquid so it stays kind of moist. Is this the Pope's nose? Look at me, I'm the Pope. So we're going to start by cutting the back out. I got some shears here. We'll see if that works a little better. All right, so I got the back out. This could make for a nice stock if you want to do a bone broth. I'm going to put it in my roasting pan because we're going to use all the liquids to make a gravy. So that'll add the turkey flavor to the liquids on the bottom there. So I think I'll just do half of it. So I'll have some dark meat and some white meat. So that is the thigh and the drummy. But first, I'm going to put my aromatics in. So I got some onions and some celery and some nice carrots. So this is going to steam and flavor the turkey. And then in addition to my aromatics, I'm just going to add some baby potatoes. Ideally, mashed potatoes would probably be nicer for turkey dinner, but this is turkey dinner in an hour, so sue me. So I'm just going to put the potatoes in the roasting pan with the turkey and the liquid so the potatoes will cook. And hopefully we'll have that turkey in an hour. All right, so I got the drummy and the thigh. And then I'm just going to cut off a breast. All right, I'll probably just take the wing off too. All right, I got a nice piece of breast. I ended up cutting it away from the bone just so it will cook faster that way. Now I'm going to just separate the skin from the flesh just so it browns a little bit. And then I'm going to stick some fresh rosemary underneath the skin. And then next, my favorite part, I'm just going to put some butter underneath the skin as well. Ooh, that actually feels nice. Kind of like to just rub that all over my former boss's teenage daughter. All right, butter is under the skin with the rosemary. Skin is separated to brown. And then I'm just going to add some liquid. I have a full bottle of white wine. I have a nice Chardonnay here. So that's going to be my braising liquid. And then we're going to get that into the oven for an hour at 450. So we'll see how that turns out. Aloha! Well, as promised, I managed to track down a tiki-style Christmas drink. So this is the Rum Rum Rudolf. It's served at Frankie's Tiki Room in fantastic Las Vegas. The name of the book is Liquid Vacation by P. Moss. So it says Rum Rum Rudolf, a jingly blend of flavors that will send you flying over the pole. So 1 ounce of Krizan 9-spiced rum, 1 ounce of Hannah Bay 151 proof rum, half ounce of cinnamon syrup, half ounce of vanilla syrup, half ounce of Coco Lopez, a dash of Angostura bitters, 2 ounces of orange juice, and ground nutmeg with a cherry for garnish. Okay, so it kind of looks like the Krizan 9-spice rum is a key component. I couldn't find the Krizan 9-spice rum. If anyone out there knows where I can buy Krizan 9-spice rum, leave it in the comment section. So I'm going to substitute the 9-spice rum just with my favorite spice rum, Sailor Jerry's. Substitution. What did I do? And I actually have some Krizan aged rum, which I'll substitute for the Hannah Bay 151 proof rum. So this is a shaken drink. So I'll just add some ice to my cocktail shaker. All right, so that's 1 ounce of Krizan 9 spice rum. I'm using Sailor Jerry's today. And one day I will get a Sailor Jerry tattoo. And then 1 ounce of Hannah Bay 151 proof rum. I'm just going to use the Krizan aged rum. Actually, we'll just make a little more than the ounce. Add a little Christmas cheer, shall we? All right. So already a boozy drink. So it says a ½ ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. I made this one with brown sugar, and I did it on my Chicago episode where I made a naked ape from Smuggler's Cove. So that's a ½ ounce of cinnamon simple syrup. And then a ¼ ounce of vanilla syrup. This is just a simple syrup where I had a vanilla bean in it. And then a ½ ounce of Coco Lopez. Today I'm going to substitute real gourmet cream of coconut for the Coco Lopez. And some ground nutmeg. What could be more Christmassy than a nutmeg? So I have the whole nut here. I'm just going to grate it in. All right, we're gonna give it a shaky. I have a nice tiki mug. This is actually hand painted and served at Tiki's Bar and Grill right on Waikiki Beach. You might have noticed it in the intro. All right, so that is a Rum Rum Rudolf. Coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I have a shrimp ring. Who doesn't love a good shrimp ring? Reminds me of Christmas. So we're gonna make some cocktail sauce to go with my shrimp cocktail. So it's ketchup based. So give it a good amount of ketchup. And then I'm going to give it a dash of Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of sweet hot mustard. This is a Hickory Farm Sweet Hot. It's my favorite. And horseradish sauce. And just a little tad bit of hot sauce. This is cayenne and Scotch bonnet, so it's really hot. And just give it a little mix. And that's my homemade cocktail sauce. Now, no Appies with Chappy would be complete without a cocktail. So we're going to do a Mango Colada today. So I have my shaker. Just going to add some ice. So this is going to be a shaken drink, not a blender type colada. I have some Malibu rum. It's coconut flavored rum. And then, of course, some mango nectar. And then I have some Coco Lopez cream of coconut. Coco Lopez, it sounds like something you'd pay a Mexican prostitute to do to you.
All right, we're going to give it a shaky. All right, and I got some nice fresh raspberries as a garnish. And now I'm going to tear into those shrimp. So thanks for watching Appies with Chappy by the lake. Coming up next, Mookie has a very important announcement. Yo, Mooksta here. Sup? So a couple episodes ago, we had an episode by the name of The Hangover Cure. Now, we got in a little bit of trouble for that one. We had some offensive material, and I just wanted to apologize. Now, having said that, I'm going to put the link up in the corner here. If you want to take a look at it and just leave a comment and let us know if anything offended you. And again, we apologize. Also, leave in the comments if you can see where we got our YouTube strike. Anyways, thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. And we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Do 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 do. All right. Nope.